Many aspirants had this doubt, sir. I am an average student. How I can score really high in VIT Triple E in this last couple of days? So you need not to worry. All your doubts will be cleared in this video. So watch it from beginning till the end so that you understand each and everything clearly. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for regular updates. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 430 plus scoring strategy and an average student how they can actually achieve in the last 35 days. So let's begin our today's video. Now we are actually continuing with our VIT Triple E PYQ series for you, and recently we have came up with our first video as well. So watch that video and like it as much as possible, and also like this video also. Our target is small 100 plus likes. The more likes we get on this video, definitely we are going to continue with lot of videos apart from physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English and everything we are going to cover, which is going to provide you the complete edge over the others for your VIT Triple E preparation. So trust our channel, crack VIT, and we will crack the VIT exam together. Now let's understand the 430 plus strategy in 35 days. What is our reality and what should be our strategy shift? So basically, truth is that you don't need to be topper, right? Remember that if you are an average student also, so if you are working intelligently, selecting in a smart fashion, and if you are able to manage the exam temperament, definitely you can crack the VIT Triple E examination very well. Now our target is what? In order to achieve the 430 plus marks, we must be able to attempt 115 to 120 questions. That is one thing. 110 to 115 question, it is also one of the most important thing, right? So 110 to 120 question, at least you need to attempt this much, and on above that you need to maintain the 95% plus accuracy. You cannot compromise on 80%, 75%. No, those things are not going to matter. Otherwise, your score will not be able to reach to the figure of 430 plus. So in order to achieve that, we must understand this kind of basic maths. Strong focus on the easy plus moderate questions. Very important. You must be able to solve all the easy questions at one go, and after that, the moderate questions. And golden rule is what? Leave tough, maximize easy. And that is going to be our rank booster. It can actually take us closer from 1000 rank to 500. It could take us closer from 5k to 2k or 1k, right? Subject wise priority. So these are the some of the high ROI topics that with even with the lesser efforts, you can score, you can fetch really good marks from these areas. Modern physics in physics, units and dimensions, semiconductors. Quite easy, seems very familiar, right? But yes, there are also many students who make kind of dozens of mistakes, that they do not study them well and they make silly errors in their actual examination, or either they are overconfident. You must not take these sections very easily or casually. Prepare them properly in a structured way. Definitely they are rewarding in the end. In chemistry NCERT, in organic plus biomolecules, polymers, these are also good areas. Physical mein you can remember just formulas also, that is going to help you very much. Plus in maths, matrices and determinants, probability vectors, 3D differential calculates. So these are very scoring. And in English and aptitude, daily practice. See, there are free marks. You cannot ignore 60 marks. So at least you must be aim at getting the 50 plus marks, and definitely your overall score will also going to boost. And there is highly possibility that even you can attain the full marks. So why even miss that kind of golden opportunity, right? Strategy shift, cover whole syllabus very quickly, save some time for the revision purpose, focus on predictable plus repeated topics. So that is the most important agenda of our today's discussion, right? Then 35 days execution plan. Now comes the important part, is like what the actual roadmap looks like. See, day wise winning system, here we are going to discuss that. Phase 1 to 28 day concept plus coverage of syllabus. Very important phase, and you need to solve at least 2 subjects per day. If you are able to do 3 subjects per day, very nice, but at least you need to study for 7 to 8 hours. And if you are not having any other exam and you are solely focused on VIT Triple E, then definitely we recommend to you to study at least 10 to 11 hours if you are serious about this exam. Remember that VIT Triple E can actually open the gateways of success for you, and definitely you must take this exam seriously. Focus on high weightage topics in that first particular these days, then daily do at least 60 to 80 MCQs per topic, and 30 minutes devote your time for English and aptitude. Then at the end of the day, you need to do what? Do focus on the error notebook where you committed mistakes, revise them, review them, and ensure them you are not committing them again and again. Right? So this is very important step. Then in phase 2, in the next 10 days, what you are supposed to do? Mock test plus analysis. Solve as many mock tests as possible. One full mock test every alternate days. Very important task. Analyze them. Spend some time in analyzing your mistakes and work on them. Where? Why did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Concept, was that the concept that actually mattered? Silly mistakes. What silly mistakes did I commit? And how much time did it take? Did it take more than usual time or something like that? So you need to analyze on these aspects. Remember that this kind of deep analysis is going to help us in improving our score and in turn our rank, right? Then revise only mistakes plus your weaker areas. So this is the most important task that we need to do at the end of these times. And phase 3 is our final boost. So in the last 5 days, at least solve 2 to 3 mock tests at least daily. If you are able to do, very good, but at least solve 2 to 3 mock tests, revise them, revise the areas, analyze them, revise from short notes, formulas, and also the NCERT highlights. Chemistry is very, very important when it comes to NCERT. So it is the gold standard. You cannot neglect this. So final 3 rules for your 430 plus marks. It is speed plus perfection. Remember that perfection is essential. We cannot negotiate on that. Speed is obviously very, very important. We need to maintain the accuracy in easy questions plus also the moderate questions, right? And focus on revision rather than learning anything new in the last 2 to 3 days. We cannot afford spending our valuable time in doing the unnecessary things. So this is the most important aspect that we are supposed to follow. This is the concrete plan by which we can attain the magical figure of 430 plus. Even we can cross the level of 450 plus as well in the last 35 days. Even an average student can become a topper. There is nothing associated with the topper that the topper is born with something extraordinary, something unusual. No, even an average person can also become the topper, can reach to that kind of standards, that level, and definitely it is very much possible with the hard work, with the smart work, with the right approach, with the right resources as well as guidance. Right, as I have mentioned, the right resources and guidance, then I am actually talking about the India's number 1 most trustworthy and reliable VIT Triple E crash course, which is going to give you boost to your VIT Triple E preparation by 10Q Challenge team. This is the most effective resource recommended by several VIT Triple E toppers. This is the only course which is available and in a very structured and a proper way. It has been carefully planned and designed so that it simplifies your VIT Triple E preparation. This course actually includes all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude, and English, and it includes the recorded video lectures. The lectures are in English only for the ease of understanding of everyone. You can pause them, play them, watch them anytime and multiple times as per your pace and convenience. Remember that in this course, along with the recorded video lectures, you are getting fast-paced revision covered. Short tricks are also being taught, which is going to in turn boost your speed and accuracy. Plus, you are getting 10 full-length mock tests also, and also you are getting constant doubt support, exclusive question bank, and short notes. So where else you will get all these things? You need not to bother. You are getting at all these things under one umbrella in our crash course. Visit our website 10qchallenge.in and complete your enrollment. Below in the description box, you will find the procedure for enrollment, course details also. So go fast and complete your enrollment. Remember that the course fees is just rupees 5,500, a nominal amount. Remember that it is a nominal amount, and on top of it, we are offering the discount of rupees 1,000 off also. So usually it is 4,500, but today we are offering an extra special sale is going on, extra 1000 off. So in total, you are getting the rupees 2000 off. So after that, the course fees is just rupees 3500. See, do not miss this golden opportunity, as this coupon code may not work later on. So why waste important and precious time? Go fast, visit our website and complete your enrollment. And as this coupon code is valid just for today for the limited time. And if you have any course related query, you can contact us as this number 8839737146. Remember that VIT Triple E examination is not going to be held again this year. This is the only last chance, important opportunity. These last 35 days will not going to come back. If you compromise on your VIT Triple E preparation, or you start thinking twice, no, I will start this or then or that. No, all these reasons, all these excuses won't going to work. If you just take this exam casually, your result is not going to come in your favor. If you want to turn the tide in your favor, you need to take action in the right direction, at the right time, with the right resources and right guidance, and make the right decision and right call right now. So with this, obviously you have understood that crash course is really important for your VIT Triple E preparation. So do check it out. Details are below in the description box. So with this, I will sign off. See you in the upcoming videos. Tab tak ke liye Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you and keep preparing.